What does it take to transform a raw ginger root into millions of bottles of perfectly carbonated ginger beer?
Continuous agitation and precise temperature steps allow the enzymes to work their magic, breaking down complex grains into simple, fermentable sugars.
From fertile farmland to high-tech stainless steel reactors, this is the untold story of how fresh ginger.
Every pop of the cap begins months earlier beneath the soil. This is the science, engineering, and precision.
In the fertile fields of America, fresh ginger roots reach full maturity after 10 months underground, developing the intent.
Specialized harvesters cut beneath the surface with surgical accuracy, protecting the delicate structure of each fresh ginger root.
Every fresh ginger root is examined for density, firmness, and aroma, because only high gingerol roots deliver the.
From soil to stainless steel, the fresh ginger roots transition immediately into controlled handling systems designed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Inside the grading facility, high-speed optical scanners analyze each fresh ginger root for size, color, and automated precision ensures that only structurally perfect fresh ginger roots advance, safeguarding flavor consistency at industrial scale. Human expertise reinforces automation, confirming that every batch of fresh ginger roots meets strict internal quality standards before processing.
Before leaving the farm, fresh ginger roots undergo high-pressure washing, removing soil and debris without stripping the aromatic skin.
Recycled filtration systems capture sediment while preserving water efficiency, maintaining both sustainability and purity.
Cleaned, fresh ginger roots are immediately stabilized to prevent heat buildup, preserving volatile flavor compounds.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness, slowing enzymatic activity, and protecting the essential oils within each fresh ginger root.
Each crate of fresh ginger roots is digitally tracked for full traceability, ensuring transparency from field to factory.
Automation guarantees structural stability during transport, preventing compression damage to the fresh ginger roots.
Throughout transit, real-time climate monitoring preserves the potency and integrity of every fresh ginger root on board.
From rural farmland to advanced production facilities, the journey of fresh ginger roots bridges agriculture and high-precision manufacturing. Upon arrival, fresh ginger roots enter a controlled industrial ecosystem where cleanliness rivals pharmaceutical standards.
Laboratory verification confirms the chemical strength of each batch of fresh ginger roots, guaranteeing bold flavor consistency.
Proved fresh ginger roots move seamlessly into the production pipeline, prepared for transformation at unprecedented scale.
What began as a humble root beneath the soil now enters a world-class facility, ready to become the fiery heart of authentic ginger beer.
Before production begins, every batch of fresh ginger roots undergoes rigorous intake inspection to verify purity, potency, and safety.
Advanced chromatography precisely measures gingerol, the natural compound responsible for ginger's signature heat, ensuring bold, consistent flavor. Moisture levels are calibrated to protect essential oils, preventing dilution of flavor during extraction.
Microbiological testing eliminates harmful pathogens, safeguarding the integrity of every fresh ginger root entering production.
Sensitive residue analysis confirms that each fresh ginger root meets strict safety thresholds for agricultural chemicals.
Only after passing multi-layer verification do the fresh ginger roots advance deeper into the facility.
Ozone-infused water neutralizes surface contaminants without compromising the natural oils locked inside each fresh ginger root.
Ultraviolet exposure provides an additional microbial barrier, achieving near-sterile handling standards. Closed-loop filtration systems maintain environmental responsibility while sustaining industrial-scale output. Precision air drying prepares the fresh ginger roots for mechanical refinement.
Depending on the formula, fresh ginger roots may retain their aromatic skin or undergo controlled peeling for a cleaner profile.
Automated peelers remove just millimeters of skin, refining bitterness without sacrificing pungency. The result is a lighter, more refined, fresh ginger root, optimized for a balanced flavor extraction. For bolder recipes, the intact skin of the fresh ginger root contributes additional depth and earthy complexity.
Digital verification ensures absolute uniformity across thousands of fresh ginger roots per hour.
High-torque grinders fracture the cellular structure of each fresh ginger root, releasing essential oils and unlocking intense aroma.
Temperature sensors prevent overheating, preserving delicate flavor molecules inside the ginger fibers.
At full capacity, the facility converts massive volumes of fresh ginger roots into precision-cut fibers with remarkable consistency. Particle size calibration guarantees optimal surface area for efficient extraction in the next phase. The shredded ginger fibers move through enclosed systems to prevent contamination and preserve aromatic intensity.
What began as raw, fresh ginger roots has now become concentrated ginger fiber, primed for transformation.
Begins as concentrated ginger fibers enter high-capacity stainless steel extraction vessels, engineered for precision infusion. Carefully measured purified water surrounds the ginger fibers, initiating thermal extraction of volatile oils and spicy compounds.
Temperature is elevated with surgical accuracy, unlocking flavor without degrading delicate aromatics.
Continuous circulation ensures that every strand of ginger fiber releases its full aromatic potential.
Extraction time is precisely timed to balance heat intensity and smooth complexity.
As heat penetrates, essential oils dissolve into the liquid, transforming raw fiber into concentrated ginger extract.
Real-time sampling confirms optimal flavor strength before moving to separation. Centrifugal filtration removes fibrous solids without stripping flavor-rich oils.
Advanced pressing technology maximizes yield, ensuring no valuable extract is wasted. The result is a refined ginger extract, intense, aromatic, and free of unwanted solids. Residual ginger fibers are responsibly repurposed, maintaining environmental efficiency at industrial scale.
Precisely filtered water is added to calibrate strength and consistency. Measured cane sugar balances the natural heat of ginger extract, building a smooth, rounded sweetness.
Automated metering eliminates variation, guaranteeing identical flavor in every batch. Temperature control preserves aromatic integrity during large-scale blending. pH balance is critical to both flavor and shelf stability.
Continuous monitoring ensures the ginger syrup base reaches its exact target pH.
Precision acidity sharpens flavor and prevents microbial instability.
Uniform blending guarantees that sweetness, spice, and acidity exist in perfect harmony.
Now stabilized and perfectly balanced, the ginger syrup base stands ready for fermentation, one step closer to becoming authentic ginger beer.
Thermal energy is removed within seconds, lowering the ginger syrup base to a yeast-safe temperature without shocking its delicate flavor compounds. Precision cooling prevents unwanted microbial growth and preserves aromatic stability.
Every degree is monitored to guarantee uniform cooling across thousands of gallons.
Once stabilized, the ginger syrup base is transferred into sterile fermentation vessels engineered for controlled biochemical transformation. Each yeast cell is evaluated for vitality and purity before entering production.
Uniform dispersion allows yeast to interact with sugars efficiently and predictably.
From this moment forward, fermentation is tracked with scientific precision.
Carbon dioxide develops naturally, building the signature effervescence of authentic ginger beer.
Inside these pressure-rated vessels, flavor compounds evolve over 24 to 72 hours.
Real-time analytics track sugar consumption and carbonation development.
Routine sampling verifies flavor progression and microbial stability. As yeast activity peaks, aromatic complexity deepens.
Micro-adjustments prevent overpressurization while preserving natural effervescence.
Alcohol content is continuously measured to ensure levels remain extremely low or non-alcoholic.
Strict compliance standards guarantee that the finished ginger beer meets non-alcoholic specifications.
Thermal control slows yeast metabolism as target carbonation is achieved.
Carbonation, sweetness, and spice are now in calibrated equilibrium.
Within these sealed stainless chambers, science and tradition converge.
From balanced ginger syrup base to naturally carbonated ginger beer, the transformation is complete, ready for refinement and finishing.
Centrifugal force separates suspended yeast cells without stripping the beverage's natural carbonation. Advanced membrane filters capture ultra-fine particles, refining clarity while preserving flavor integrity. The result is brilliantly clarified ginger beer, clean, stable, and visually pristine.
Quality assurance verifies absolute clarity before thermal stabilization begins.
The beverage is heated quickly and precisely, just long enough to neutralize unwanted microorganisms.
Immediate cooling prevents flavor degradation, protecting the vibrant spice of the ginger extract.
Every millisecond of heat exposure is digitally recorded for compliance and consistency.
Now microbiologically secure, the ginger beer advances to carbonation refinement. Precise carbonation ensures a lively yet balanced effervescence.
With clarity, stability, and sparkle perfected, the beverage approaches its final transformation. Each glass bottle is sterilized moments before filling to eliminate contamination. Counter-pressure filling technology preserves carbonation while preventing oxygen intrusion. Every bottle receives an exact volume of sparkling ginger beer.
From raw ginger root to refined effervescent beverage, transformation is nearly complete. Encased in glass and charged with sparkle, the ginger beer stands ready for its journey to the world.
Each metal cap is automatically positioned for perfect alignment before sealing.
Computer-regulated torque ensures an airtight seal without stressing the pressure-resistant glass.
The seal must withstand internal carbonation pressure while preserving flavor integrity. Every bottle passes through pressure testing to detect microscopic leaks.
Any deviation is removed immediately, maintaining uncompromising quality standards. High-accuracy applicators align every label flawlessly. Optical inspection eliminates crooked or misaligned branding. High-speed ink curing ensures durability during transport and storage.
Now branded and traceable, the product undergoes final verification.
Flavor, aroma, and carbonation are assessed against strict benchmarks.
Pressure readings confirm consistent carbonation across the production run.
Sterility tests ensure the pasteurization process achieved full stability. Only when taste, pressure, and safety align is the batch cleared for distribution.
Protective packaging shields the glass while maintaining premium presentation.
Each pallet is stabilized for long-distance transport.
From raw ginger root to perfectly packaged glass bottle, the journey nears completion, ready to travel from factory floor to store shelf.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves carbonation and flavor stability during transit. Advanced logistics systems track every carton of ginger beer from production batch to retail destination.
Digital routing ensures accurate delivery to supermarkets across the country.
From warehouse to retail dock, the chain of custody remains fully traceable. Now positioned at eye level, the ginger beer awaits its final destination, the consumer.
Clear labeling, production codes, and expiration dates provide transparency and confidence. The decision is made in seconds, guided by branding, clarity, and reputation.
From factory system to retail system, the product's journey is digitally documented.
Effervescence activates instantly, releasing the aromatic heat of real ginger extract. Balanced sweetness and controlled acidity frame the bold spice of ginger. The experience delivers a layered sensation, fiery warmth, crisp carbonation, and smooth finish.